trailer on the electricity. The corner of the trailer or the last axle have to be on the line there. So I have to look, don't touch the other truck. Yeah, it's okay. Changing with this is engine with diesel and this is electric. And now have to wait a little. Here. Okay. I have to change the camera right here. This is the driver who... And let's see how busy it is, the city today.